Hey guys, I'm back again with another video, and today's video we're gonna be talking about how you can write a program where you can install this pie chart. So you can see one demonstration over here, and how did I actually place some of the charts over here. And to mesmerize, to put this code in the mind, it took me around an hour, or you can say a week or a month, to write this code. So let's begin. Let's get started with this. So you're gonna create another function now so to make a pie chart, you're gonna write import matplotlib or pyplot splt. So portion covered by each label, that is activities, eat, sleep, work, play. Oh yeah. And then you write oh no, it's defining labels and portion covered by each label, that is slices 3786. Yes, 3786. If you want, then I can should go down a little bit. Yeah. And then you write color for each label, and colors red, green, blue, yellow. Okay, so plotting a pie chart, splt.py, and then you write labels equals to no, not this one. So write sizes labels equals to activities. Yes, colors, nice colors. So for colors you have to write a start angle, shadow to explode 0.10. Yes, and then you write radius 1.2 and auto PCT, that is percentage 1.1 f percentage. Yes, then you are plotting a legend, is plt.legend, and function to show the plot. Okay, so see, here's the code, and if you now I want you to believe that it will work or not. Plt.show. Okay, I want to know from you that this will work or not. Okay, maximum I think so you will say that yeah, it will work, but not 100%. So let's see. So see this. Oh yeah, and here it works. So I hope you guys loved it. Thank you very much. Bye bye.